MTDCNC are in Hove today. We're at Dugard. I'm proud to be standing here with Dr. Kitamura and Eric Dugard, who's the managing director of Dugard. Now, Dugard have been supplying the Kitamura machines in this country for a while now. Firstly, Dr. Kitamura, thank you very much for taking the time to talk to us today. Could you maybe tell us a little bit about the company history, again, about the business?
Like I said earlier, we celebrate the company in 1933. Then in 86 years, we concentrate serve only machining center. Which type of business is very unique, who concentrate work only serve a particular merchandise. Who work cornerstone business by machining center is very rare in machine tool industry right now. Therefore, we have a pride to serve quality and accuracy more than others.
And this is great for you, isn't it, Eric, here at Dugard? What a machine to be able to supply into this market.
Yeah, I think it's true to say the more we get involved with Kitamura, the more we can see the features that Dr. Kitamura particularly has been involved in. He's a very unique person in the respect that as the CEO, he's also very hands-on in terms of the machine capabilities and software and the mechanical functions of the machine, which they've got a lot of patents that are registered.
Well, this was going to be my next question. Can I just touch on some of the patents again? Can you tell me about the twin ball screw pattern and also some of the geometric features of the machine?
You know that we obtain nearly 600 patents in the world. Then some of the case of we obtain patent, like you said, twin ball screw method. The twin ball screw method we developed through catch two unmatched function, which is speed and accuracy, both. Try to get two unmatched function, we try to use twin ball screw as a result. Which twin ball screw we use the recover the less of torque.
And tell me about the true geometric accuracy of these machines.
True geometric accuracy only result coming through the hand scraping, like craftsmanship, which normally hand scraping with that require for fine surface finish. To consider the fine surface finish itself, grinding machine to finish is much easier. But however, some of the big base of machine itself cannot loading on the grinding machine. Therefore, hand scraping is required. The hand scraping require many patient work. So many repeat disassembling after the blue paint tend to result.
I've done it. I used to do it. During my apprenticeship. Eric, this machine range, we talk about speed, rigidity, some of these unique patents and features. Where's your market here in the UK?
I would say we're looking at customers looking for a high accuracy machines, but with high performance in terms of 60 meters a minute rapids. These have got exceptional features in terms of torque and spindle speed. We're getting 20,000 RPM on BT40, but with a 4-range gearbox that gives you incredible torque as well.
Yeah, there's 2 points: power and speed on the spindle you've got, but you've also got speed on the fastest box guideway machine in its class. Is that right?
That's correct. And as Dr. Kitamura said, you've got this incredible accuracy built in as standard. I mean, our engineers are shocked when they look down the parameters. They're all zero, and they're still getting true geometric accuracy. And of course, it's got all the software in there to overcome any thermal growth. You've got sensors and software monitoring any growth.
And just remind me, how many machines are you making in Japan now, Kitamura's, in a year or in a week, let's say?
That's very difficult to say the right number, but I can answer, production schedule itself. Our production schedule is 150 units per month, but depend on the inspection test, the quantity will decrease.
And Eric, for the UK market, you're going to be bringing these machines in. We've already seen machines go out the door. In fact, you've sold quite a few already. This HX500, for example, would this be available from stock, people to come and see demonstrated?
Yeah, this is the first of our stock machines. We've got another 2 or 3 machines coming in shortly. This one is quite exceptional, actually. It's an 8,000 BT50 machine on a 500 pallet, and it's giving you 1,000 Newton meters at the spindle. So people using it on exotic materials, aerospace, that type of thing, it would be a perfect stock machine for them. And
it doesn't stop at this style of machine. You've got small, agile, 5-axis, vertical machine, across the board, isn't it? Double column machines. Am I right in saying that it's that extensive?
Yeah, when you look across the range, there's not really any milling application that we can't address in terms of 5-axis, as you say, bridge type, but incredibly small machines. They've got a new Med Center 5-axis machine with 20,000 RPM, very, very agile, very quick machine.
Good stuff. Good luck with them here in the UK, Eric. So available from Dugard here in the UK, the Kitamura range of machines. Dr. Kitamura, thank you very much for your time today, and it's been fascinating talking to you. Thank you as well, Eric. Thank you.
Can I say one more thing?
Certainly.
We are the last private company who serve machines business in Japan, but there have a reason why we keep stay private company in Japan. To consider the long-term serving spare part, key issue be stay private company is very important. Once we become public company, we need to require auditor check very often. Sometimes auditor doesn't allow hold enough spare parts to serve 10, 20 years old machines for.
That's brilliant. That's really, really good to know. Thank you very much.
We have a confidence. Our longevity is much longer than anybody else. But without having spare parts, we cannot get that benefit to serve customer.
There you go. So, as you see, a privately owned company as well in Japan, supply machine tools, and have been for over 80 years.